Welcome back friends. In this video I will show you how you can earn money online if you have a Facebook account. Before we start, if you are a new visitor, please be sure to click on the subscribe button below to subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon so that you get the notification of every new video we upload on our channel. Without any further delay, let's get started. So friends, if you have a Facebook account, it is very easy to set up a shop on the Facebook and then you can start selling products. Those products could be anything out of your business, or you can bring any new idea and can start selling items like clothes, electronic items, computer items, or the kitchen items, and so on. So the idea is that once you have a platform, you can think about selecting the products of your choice and then start selling through the Facebook. So let us see how you can set up an online shop on the Facebook. First of all, open your browser and go to Facebook, and after that log into your account. I have logged in with my Facebook account. The next step is that you need to create a page for your business. Once you have created the page for your business, after that you can set up the shop. So first let's see how you can create a page for your business. For that, click on the create button, and after that click on the page, and then you can go to this category, business or brand. Click on get started and provide name of the page over here and the category over here. After that you need to provide some details like your address, your contact details, etc., and then you would be able to set up your page. I have already created a page, so what I will do that I will open my page. Once you will create your page, you can go over here, pages will be listed over here. Currently I have only one page which is listed over here. The name of my page is online earning. So I have created this page just for the sake of this video, and you can create your own page, and once you will create your page will be listed over here, and from here click on your page. Now I can see my page. The name of my page is online learning, and over here I can upload the logo of my page. I can have the cover of my page, and after that what you can do is on the left side, if you click on this see more, you will see the option of shop. Click on that and you will get this window. On this window you just need to click on I agree to the seller's terms and policies, and after that click on the continue. So this is the important step. It says that choose how you want people to buy products from your shop. So there are two options: message to buy. So what does it mean? Let people send you messages to ask questions and arrange purchases. So this is one option, that if you will select this option, your customer will message you on the Facebook and they can ask questions about different products. You can respond to them through the Facebook Messenger, and then you can engage them, and finally when they will place the order, you have to keep track of those orders, which you can do through an Excel file or any other mechanism you may prefer. So this is one option, and this is the second option, that checkout on another website. So if you select this option, it means that you will be sending your customer to another website to complete their purchases. And if you have your own website, then you can link that website to the Facebook, so that when customer will view your products on the Facebook, and if they would like to purchase any of the products, they can click to go to your website, and then they will make the transaction from your website. Another thing you can do is, if you do not have your website set up yet, what you can do is that you can create a form on the Google Forms, so that your customer can fill that form and can place the order through that form. And how to use the Google form, you can follow my another video, for which I have provided the link over here. So once you will create the form, you can link that form to your website. I am going to select this option, check out on another website, then click on continue. Now you need to provide the currency of your shop. What currency do you use? This will be shown when you add prices to items in your shop. Wherever you are, select your currency from here and then click on save. Alright, so this is your shop area. and over here you can manage your products in the shop section of your page, and over here you can give some description of your business, and after that you just need to add your products. You can add your products one by one. For example, if you click on the add product, so what you have to do is, first of all, you have to add pictures of your products. You can add pictures, you can add videos. Let's add a photo, and you can add the photo from your files. You can drag and drop photos over here. Currently I am just clicking on the page photos, and from here I'm just picking this photo and I'm clicking on use photo. So for example, I have uploaded the photo of my product, and this is the name of the product. For example, the name of the product is laptop, and here I need to mention the price, maybe 60,000. Check this if this product is on sale, otherwise provide the description. So laptop is for sale, maybe a good condition second hand laptop is for sale. So over here you can provide the URL. So as I mentioned earlier, if you have your own website, you can provide the URL of this product. If it is available on your website, you can copy that URL and you can paste that URL over here. Or secondly, you can create purchase order form using Google Forms, and you can get the link from Google Form and you can paste that link over here. Again, I would like to mention that you can follow my other video which is about how to use Google Forms, and for that the link has been given in the description as well. Currently I will enter an example link which can be www.example.com. This is a dummy link and you need to enter a valid link over here, and then share this product on your page. Once this product is uploaded, it will be shared on the timeline of your Facebook, and from here you can decide the visibility. It is public or unpublished, so generally it will go to public. And then product condition, you can mention here what is the condition of the product. So on top we have mentioned it is second hand, and from here you can say used and good condition. Alright, now we can add the product. So it is just a message of confirmation that we have added a product. Just click on OK, and now we can see that within our online shop we have one product which is listed over here. Okay, so currently we have added one product. So if I click on this product, so this is how your customer will view your product on the Facebook, and over here you can review the details, and from here you can see that when they will click on checkout on website, they will go to that link. Currently we have provided a dummy link, but when you will provide the valid link, once the customer will see your product over here, when they will decide that they will purchase it, they will click on the checkout on website, they will go to that link. Either that could be the link of your website, or if you do not have your business website, you can create a purchase order form using Google Forms, and you can place link of that purchase order over here, so that when customer will click here, they will be redirected to that purchase order form. And this is how you can keep adding your products over here. Just click on the add product and you can keep adding products on your shop, and after that you can also organize your products into various collections. You can make different collections, and once you will have multiple items added over here, you can create these sections and you can organize your shop so that it is more attractive to the customer when they will be visiting your business page over here. So this is how you can set up a business page on your Facebook, and after that you can set up a shop on your business page, and then you can add products to your shop on the Facebook. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.